Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here, you saw my Solo stove I bought, and they were also running other specials this Christmas. So I got a pot for my stove to nest in, so I have a complete cook system to take with me on the trail. And again, you know, had a good sale, and my buddy called me up and said, hey, you want a pot? And I was like, yeah, order it. So here we go. Alright, so Solo Stove tells us our cook pot is 7.8 ounces or 221 grams. It's got a 4.7 inch diameter. It's got a height of 4.5 inches. It's made from stainless steel. It'll hold 30 fluid ounces or 900 millimeters. They tell us it's got some measurement markings that are stamped on the side so we know how much water we're putting in. And let's open it up and see what we've got. I haven't ever opened it before. I like that, engineered for adventure. Get this box out of the way. So we've got the collapsible handles, kind of like our canteen cups. Oh, look there, there's a stuff sack for it. And you can see in there, like you can see, because of the way they indent these, you can see inside of the pot where you're measuring to. You don't have to look at the outside and guess. That's really nice. It's got pour spout, so you won't make a mess when you're pouring your liquids. Man, this is nice. It's got a rubberized handle. The only thing, I was almost disappointed in Solo Stove that handle didn't lock up, but they put a little notch in it. You see that? Right there, there's a little notch. So when you're getting ready to get your boil going, you can put that guy on there and your handle will stay up. I was almost gonna fault them for that. That's awesome. And our stove, you saw my stove the other week, it should nest right down in there. Look at there, perfect. And then they've got us let's see how easy this guy goes in. Oh yeah, good size. It's just big enough so it's not hard to get it in. It's got a little bit of extra space up there so you could drop maybe your lighter or some matches or ferro rod. That guy cinches down. Super nice. Let's see what the whole thing all together weighs. Let's see here. What are we on? We're on ounces. So my stove, the cook pot, the 2 stuff stacks, and even the little tags here, we're not going to take those off yet. We are at 18.1 ounces or 513 grams for the entire system. And let's see, I've got a Nalgene bottle over here just for comparison. So just a little bit wider than the Nalgene and a little bit shorter. All right, let's open this up. Let's get the stove back out of here and see what the pot and the stuff sack weigh by themselves. Go away, stove. We already talked about you. So we're 258 grams. What did our package tell us we were? That's a little bit heavier than the package. Let's get this tag off of here and see how much that takes from us. Yeah, I'm at 255 grams. 254. So we get rid of the stuff sack. And that's 244 grams. Make sure I'm sitting on the wood good here. Let's see double check. I'm gonna double check with my stove. We were spot on with the stuff sack and everything on the stove. 255. It's reading just a little bit higher on the stove now, so it might partially be the picnic table I'm sitting on. And 8.6 ounces. So we're close. Won't fault them over that. Man, some nice construction. I'm looking forward to using this. So there it is, y'all. There's my new Solo pot, and it nests with my stove. This is their 900 pot and the Solo Stove Lite. So there you go, just a quick look. We'll cook up with it later, see what we can do.